Now, what is the spread? Now, the bid and ask spread is the difference between the price at which a dealer will buy a currency and the price at which the dealer will sell a currency. Okay, so in this example, the bid is 1.4502 and the ask is 1.4505. So in this example, we have a 3 pip spread. So the dealer is willing to buy the currency at 1.4502 and they are willing to sell the currency at 1.4505. Now, the only way to become successful as a trader is by properly educating yourself, and the fastest way to do this is by finding a successful mentor. Okay? Now, a mentor can teach you years of experience in a short period of time, which is why it's extremely beneficial for you to find a mentor. Now, I do provide mentorship service to serious traders via learnforexmentor.com. So if you're interested in mastering the Forex market, you can go to www.learnforexmentor.com and sign up for my mentorship program. I have a one-on-one mentorship program where I help you one-on-one via Skype. I teach you the ins and outs of the market, how to analyze the market, how to enter trades, how to exit trades. So when you sign up for my mentorship program, you will learn not only how to analyze the market and identify the direction of the market, but also to identify when the market will start moving in that direction. See, one of the main reasons why a lot of traders lose is because they do not know when the market will start moving in the direction. See, they might know that the market will go up or that the market will go down, but the when is extremely important, and that's what I teach students at Learn Forex Mentor. So if you're serious about Forex trading and you want to trade Forex professionally, sign up for my mentorship program and I will work with you one-on-one and help you to become successful as a trader. Now, did you learn what Forex trading is? How to trade the Forex market? Did you learn that the Forex market moves just like any other market? Did you learn the different types of orders used in Forex trading? Did you learn how to place a trade on the Forex market? Did you learn how you can earn money trading Forex? And did you learn how you can protect yourself should the trade not go your way? Now, the answer to all these questions should be yes. If the answer to all these questions is not yes, then go over these lectures again.